In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a group on WhatsApp. First, open your main chat on WhatsApp, and then in the top right corner there is three dots. You can click it, and then you can click new group. Now you can add the person. I will scroll all the way down. Let's say I want to add this one, and then click next in the bottom right corner. Then you can give a name for your group. And then you can click next. That's it. Now you have a new group. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.